Hi there! Welcome back to English Podcast Flow. I'm Alice, and wow, I'm so excited about today's episode. You know what Frank taught you yesterday? That amazing 15-minute daily practice. Today we're going deeper into one specific part of your day, your morning, because here's the truth. How you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. And if you can describe your morning in English, you're already building confidence from the moment you wake up. Today, we're practicing 50 English sentences. Yes, 50, all about morning routines. This might sound like a lot, but trust me, we're going to make it fun, natural, and super practical. Different but so common moments of everyone's mornings. Let's flow through this morning together. Okay? So why focus on mornings? Here's something interesting. Your morning routine is probably the most predictable part of your day. You do the same things in the same order almost every single day. And that predictability, that's perfect for language learning. Think about it. When you practice the same English sentences about your morning over and over, they become automatic. You don't have to think. The words just flow. It's like when you learn to tie your shoes. At first, you have to think about every step. But after doing it 1,000 times, your hands just know what to do. English works the same way. Repeat these morning sentences enough times, and one day you'll wake up and just start thinking in English naturally. So today, we're going to practice 50 sentences in 5 categories. Each category covers a different part of your morning. And by the end, you'll be able to describe your entire morning routine in perfect English. Ready? Let's start from the very beginning. Let's start with waking up. That moment when your alarm goes off and reality hits. We all know that feeling, right? Let's practice talking about it in English. My alarm is going off. Repeat. My alarm is going off. I need to wake up now. I need to wake up now. Just 5 more minutes, please. Your turn. Just 5 more minutes, please. We all say this one, right? 5 more minutes. It's universal. I'm still so sleepy. Repeat. I'm still so sleepy. Time to get out of bed. Again. Time to get out of bed. I had such a good dream last night. Your turn. I had such a good dream last night. What time is it? Repeat. What chimney is it? I slept really well last night. Again, I slept really well last night. I didn't sleep very well. Your turn. I didn't sleep very well. Good morning, world. Repeat with a smile. Good morning, world. Beautiful. Category 1, done. Let's keep flowing. Now, let's move to the bathroom. This is where your morning really starts to happen. I need to use the bathroom. Your turn. I need to use the bathroom. I'm brushing my teeth. Repeat. I'm brushing my teeth. Where's my toothbrush? Again, where's my toothbrush? I need to wash my face. Your turn. I need to wash my face. The water is too cold. Repeat. The water is too cold. I'm taking a shower now. Again, I'm taking a shower now. I need to shave today. Your turn. I need to shave today. I'm doing my skincare routine. Repeat. I'm doing my skincare routine. I'm combing my hair. Again, I'm combing my hair. I look tired today. Your turn. I look tired today. Perfect. 20 sentences down. You're doing great. Time to get dressed. Let's talk about choosing your outfit. What should I wear today? Repeat. What should I wear today? I need something comfortable. Again, I need something comfortable. Where's my favorite shirt? Your turn. Where's my favorite shirt? These pants don't fit anymore. Repeat. These pants don't fit anymore. I'm putting on my clothes. Again, I'm putting on my clothes. I need to iron this shirt. Your turn. I need to iron this shirt. Do these colors match? Repeat. Do these colors match? I'm wearing my blue jeans today. Again, I'm wearing my blue jeans today. Where are my shoes? Your turn. Where are my shoes? I'm all dressed and ready. Repeat. I'm all dressed and ready. Wonderful. You're more than halfway through. Let's keep going. Now, for my favorite part, breakfast. Let's talk about making and eating breakfast. I'm so hungry this morning. Your turn. I'm so hungry this morning. I'm making coffee. Repeat. I'm making coffee. Do we have any milk? Again. Do we have any milk? I'm toasting some bread. Your turn. I'm toasting some bread. I'll have cereal today. Repeat. I'll have cereal today. I'm making scrambled eggs. Again, I'm making scrambled eggs. This coffee smells amazing. This coffee smells amazing. I need sugar for my coffee. Repeat. I need sugar for my coffee. Breakfast is ready. Again, breakfast is ready. I'm eating breakfast now. Your turn. Your turn. I'm eating breakfast now. Delicious. 40 sentences complete. You're amazing. Okay, quick pause. Can I tell you something exciting? I know we're practicing 50 sentences today, and that's a lot to remember. So I've created something special for you. A complete downloadable guide with all 50 sentences organized by category, plus bonus conversation starters and a morning routine checklist in English. Just scroll down to the comments, click the link, and download it right now. This way, you can print it out and put it on your bathroom mirror. Or keep it on your phone. Practice these sentences every single morning while you're actually doing your routine. That's how you make English automatic. By connecting it to your real life, so go grab that download, it's in the comments, and it'll make your practice so much more effective. Now, let's keep going. Let's be honest. Most of us check our phones first thing in the morning, right? Let's practice talking about that. Let me check my phone. Your turn. Let me check my phone. I have 3 new messages. Repeat. I have 3 new messages. What's the weather like today? Again. What's the weather like today? I need to check my calendar. Your turn. I need to check my calendar. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. Repeat. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. Let me reply to this email quickly. Again, let me reply to this email quickly. I need to set a reminder. Your turn. I need to set a reminder. What's the news today? Repeat. What's the news today? I should charge my phone before I leave. Again. I should charge my phone before I leave. My battery is almost dead. Your turn. My battery is almost dead. You did it? 50 sentences. I'm so proud of you. Okay, you just learned 50 sentences. That's so great, isn't it? But now I want to give you a fun challenge to make all of this stick. Tomorrow morning, I want you to be your own English narrator. From the moment you wake up, describe everything you're doing in English based on what you have learned today. Auji, lauji. Start simple. My alarm is going off. I'm so sleepy. Time to get up. Then in the bathroom, I'm brushing my teeth. The water is cold. Getting dressed. What should I wear today? Where are my shoes? Talk to yourself like you're hosting your own morning show. Make it fun. Add emotion. Be dramatic if you want. And here's why this works. When you connect language to action, your brain remembers it faster. You're not just memorizing words, you're living them. Now, I want you to try this for 7 days. Just 7 mornings. And I promise you, by day 7, these sentences will feel completely natural. And here's the fun part. Come back to the comments and tell me your favorite sentence from today. Which one felt the most natural? Which one made you smile? Let's build this community together. Share your experience. Support each other. We're all learning together. Tomorrow, Frank is coming back with something really practical. 15 minutes a day to improve your English fast. He's going to show you a complete system, a step-by-step plan. You can follow every single day to see real results in just weeks. Imagine having a clear roadmap. No confusion, no overwhelm. Just a simple daily plan that works. That's what's waiting for you tomorrow. I'm so proud of you. You showed up. You practiced. You didn't give up. That takes real courage. Keep going, my friend. Keep practicing. Keep believing. And keep flowing with your English. See you tomorrow.